Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Side Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, stock markets were down again. Why? We're gonna talk about fun stock. If you are new to stock markets, they refer to Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google stocks. And also, we're gonna talk about what could happen before and after elections, stock markets prediction. If you are new to this channel, we talk about stock markets, real estate, how to invest, how to make more money and succeed in life. So if you want to make more money and succeed in life, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. And if you have been following this channel for some time, comment below when you knew about this channel. And you could also get free stocks and audiobooks in the description and comment at the end of the video. So today's topic, latest stock markets updates and Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google stock. What's happening to them? And what could happen in future before and after elections. If there's any stock you would like me to talk about, comment below and share this video if you want more stock videos. That would definitely help out the channel a lot. And as a bonus, I'm gonna talk about what I may do and my opinions and stock market predictions. So make sure you watch the videos until the end. So I talk about 5% market pullback very likely on October 26th. October 26th, 10% market correction somewhat likely. But look at it, it's already down minus 5.6%. Compared to Friday, S&P 500 was at 3,465. Now it's 3,271. So it's already down 5.6%. The market pullback is already happened. So Nasdaq, look at Nasdaq, minus 4.7%. And also Dow Jones as well, minus 6.4%. So Tesla, let's look at Tesla. And Tesla was the only minus 3.47%. So Tesla performed better than S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones, over the last 3 days. So basically Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tesla performed better. If you look at it, Nasdaq performed the best among three. So Tesla is only down minus 3.47%. And look at Apple, only minus 3.33%. And how about Facebook? Facebook was down for minus 6%. That's quite dramatic compared to the other stocks, and also even compared to S&P 500. So Facebook performed worse than S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Amazon, that's amazing Amazon. So minus 1.3% only. So it went back up, then it went back down again. So Alphabet, Google is minus 7.48%. This is the worst performing stock in all the fund stock, as well as the composite Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow Jones industry average. So how about Netflix? It's only down for 0.417%. So this is the best performing stock, compared to all the other fund stocks, and as well as compared to indices. So what is next? Stock market went down for several days, in the past few weeks. So if you look at the S&P 500 for the presidential elections from 1936 to 2017, this is average S&P 500 performance. 6 months prior, if the incumbent party won, so S&P 500 basically performed much better than incumbent party lost. 3 months prior, if the incumbent party won, it's performed 4%, and if incumbent party lost, it's minus 2%. So basically, let's say during this election it's a Republican. So if Republicans are gonna lose, so the stock market could be down for minus 2%. If in 1 month out, if Republicans gonna lose, the stock market is gonna be performed worse than if they are going to win. So this can be applied to any party. I'm not saying this is a Republican, this is incumbent. So let's say if this is a year where Democrat has White House, the president is a Democrat. If Democrats gonna lose, so 1 month prior, the stock market is gonna be down. If Democrats gonna win the White House for re-elections next year, it's gonna be up. So this is only for incumbent party and incumbent party loss. So what's interesting is if you look at it one day after the election, if the incumbent party lost, the stock market performed better than if the incumbent party won. So that's kind of interesting. And 1 week after, look at it, it's almost the same. And 1 month after, if the other party won, the stock market performed better. So let's say now is that Republicans are seeking re-elections. So if Republican lost, so the stock market could be performing better 1 month after the election. So the same year end. So if Democrats win the White House for the next year, 2021, so the year end, the stock market could be better. So this is interesting. But 6 months after, 1 year after, but the incumbent party won, the stock market performs better. So this is interesting. It's one of the things because of law change. Law change, and the main reason is because basically, why does incumbent party lose? It's because they are doing poor job. They are doing poor jobs, and the new party is gonna come up. There could be new system, new laws. Those the stock markets do not like uncertainty. The stock market also do not like bad performance. If the incumbent party is gonna lose, it's mainly because of the economy. Economy is doing bad on right now. Is cases. The disease cases are rising, so the stock market is going down. It's basically tied to the economy. It's tied to the economy. So economy is a good indicator of who's gonna win. So if the other party is gonna come take over, people are not happy. Economy is doing bad, so the stock market is going down. The next year, a new party get elected. So then stock market is getting better because people are more optimistic. We are getting a new president, new party. That's gonna improve things better. So that's why, in my opinion, it's because the year end the stock markets perform better than if the incumbent party won. So, but after 6 months later, 1 year, there could be some changes. The tax law change, regulation change, stuff like that. So that could happen. But remember, this is just an average. So this doesn't mean that it's gonna apply to every election year. So just remember that. Keep that in mind. So look at this. The daily change on October 27 is already 74,410 cases. That's a lot. That's a lot of cases. So this is a different year from other election because this is once in a 100-year event. So there's no so much of presidents to compare to. So this in my opinion, this is the main indicator why the stock market went down today, and this could be the driving force in coming few months. Because winter is coming, so there will be higher chance of going up. So if you're investing in stock market, make sure you do know what you're investing, the business environment, the macroeconomics, because risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So make sure you take stock investing courses. You subscribe to this channel and you watch the videos until the end. So those are the things that you should be doing to know what you are doing. So if you really know how to invest, you have a very high chance of succeeding and making money in stock investment. It's not a rocket science. So success comes from knowing what you don't know, more than coming from what you do know. This is a billionaire investor Ray Dalio. So if you look at stock markets, the majority of the stock market is dominated by rich people. So in 1989, top 1% owned 99% of the stock. Right now, in 2016, top 1% owns 50% of the stock. Moving forward to 2019, top 1% owns more than 50%, close to 60% of the stock market. So this means that every rich people, in one way or another, they have investment in stock markets. They might own their business, they buy stocks. So if you want to get rich, invest in stock. Not everybody who invests in stock get rich, because a lot of people don't know what they are doing. They lose money. Then you just keep learning, improving. So over time, you're gonna get really good at it. Then you're gonna make more money. So if you want to get rich, the best way is investing in stock market. Start with stock investing first. And a lot of people ask me, hey, if I don't have money, what should I do? If I don't have a degree or college education or high school, can I invest in stock markets? Yes, you don't need any degree or education certificate. All you need is your phone, your computer, and you can even invest from home. It's stock exchanges are open 5 days a week. 5 days a week, even during the lockdown, they are still open, so you can invest it. If you don't have money, just set aside $10 a day. Even if you only have $1, I would say starting is better than doing nothing. I have a link down below where you can invest $1 into Apple, Amazon, Tesla stock. It's called M1 Finance. So there are 3 links. Just open an account at all 3 brokerage companies, and you get a free stock. And also you just need to deposit $100 to get a free stock as well. You can always withdraw that deposit. So yeah, anywhere from around the world can invest in stock. You might be living in Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Germany, UK, Japan, Korea, Vietnam, China. You can invest in stock. And Singapore resident can buy US stock, or if you have a credit card, one unique thing about Singapore is that they can buy US stock. As long as they have a brokerage account in Singapore brokerage company, they can buy the US stock. If you are living in a country where your stock brokerages do not allow you to invest in US stock, there are some websites that could accept the debit card to buy US stock. So most people start doing by themselves and they lose money. So make sure it's very important you learn courses, and also subscribe to the channel so that you know what you're doing, and that's gonna save you a lot of money. So my stock market prediction for long term: 5 things to watch out for. Election surprises. I talked about it in the previous video, but I think the main thing will be to focus on stimulus deal cases and unemployment rate. Unemployment rates, because if we have more cases rising, states are gonna be forced to shut down. Because if there is no space in hospital, what are you going to do? You can't just keep opening the business. And of course, people have to follow the science, follow the guidelines, and they wear the mask and everything they can to prevent this. Then we don't have to shut down. Germany and France, they are forced to shut down a second time. Then that happened, the unemployment rate could go up. And if there's no stimulus, that could be worse. People lose their job. They don't have any stimulus deal. They're not gonna buy stuff. If they not gonna buy stuff, the demand's gonna go down. If demand goes down, the stock market's gonna go down, because companies gonna report disaster earning. Really bad earnings and income. If there's a vaccine upset, we need to delay the vaccine. Pfizer says that, or J&J, Johnson & Johnson said that, so it's going to be really bad. But just keep your eyes on this rate, and number of rates is going downtrend. Let's see in October, November, if cases are rising, what's going to happen. So if it's going to go back up again, 9%, 10%, that could be another reason for the stock market crash, in my opinion. So 5%, as I predicted, already occurred. So 10% is likely. It may not happen right away, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, but it could be like three days after next week or so, but it all depends on what's gonna happen with the cases. The cases will there be any stimulus deal? I do not think that a stimulus deal is coming before election, and also if Donald Trump loses the election, I don't think he's gonna have time or energy to push to the deal, because it's only a few months left, a few months, and and also a lot of things changes. I think that the most realistic will be that in January. It doesn't matter if the Republicans gonna keep the White House or Democrats gonna win the White House in the next 1 or 2 months, November, December. There could be a mess, election mess, counting and stuff like that. Everybody's got destroyed, and it 20% market crash, I don't think it's likely, but possible, because there are so many things out of control, like cases, stimulus deal, and vaccine upset. It can be anything that cause the market to crash 20%. But next year, I think the market's gonna go up very, very likely. If we are able to control the cases, if they are able to pass a new stimulus check and infrastructure deal, that's going to be a big deal. They want to rebuild roads, bridges, infrastructure, 5G, all the investment in the towers. That will be a lot of investment. So that they need to buy cement, steel, paint, all the industrial stocks will be really nice. And if there is a vaccine, just very, very high hope vaccine come up, the stock market gonna shoot up. If all these 3-4 are in the right directions, that's gonna be perfect scenario for the stock markets. And of course, all investment have risk. You can make a lot of money or lose all your money. Invest only what you can afford to lose. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not an investment advice to buy or sell any stock. Do your own independent research before buying or selling any securities. So what I may do, I will just keep buying great company stock, because I know the stock markets rise over long term, and great company stocks tend to do better even during the bad markets. The best way to invest is just invest regularly. So useful links for you in description. But don't forget to get three free stock, one from Weibo, one from Robinhood. Just click the link and open an account, deposit $100, you get free stock up. Some could be up to potentially 1,600. And you can also open M1 Finance. Down below, you can invest just $10 a day. Buy Facebook stocks like Facebook, Apple, Tesla, high price stock for fractional shares. CEO reads about 1 book a week, 52 books a year. So go ahead and read free audiobooks. The link is down below as well. If you are thinking about making extra money on the weekends, take the real estate license course to make money as a realtor. Just imagine if you sell only one 300,000 house a month, you could be making 9,000, because the commissions average about 3%. So the best credit cards, if you need some financial help for the short term, credit cards link are below as well. So it's free interest for 12 to 14 months, depending on the credit cards. So $15 if you're paying more than $30 for your mobile plan, even more than $15 for your mobile plan, you are paying too much. I use this plan. Even Hollywood rivalry knows likes this plan. So unlimited talking, data testing, the link is in the description or in the comment. Now, free travel credits are in the link as well. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, make sure you comment below the video on YouTube or Facebook, and you can reach out to me on Instagram and on Facebook. So where are you watching this from? If you reach this so far, comment your city, your state, and country. I would really love to know you. And if there's any video you would like me to make, just comment below. Subscribe YouTube and like CFirst Facebook and follow Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.